Hey VCE HHD students, my name's Andy, I'm a VCE Health and Human Development teacher. In this short video we're going to look at what are features of effective aid programs in Unit 4 VCE HHD. Before we dive into that question, just a reminder at the Health Resources Hub YouTube channel, there's a new video like this one coming out each day between now and the HHD exam at the end of the year, so please subscribe and let your HHD friends know about this too. I'm running the ACE HHD exam preparation sessions at the end of the year, and you can currently book spots to those at book.acedvce.com. You'll see our social media links there if you'd like to follow us and get access to all of the videos and alerts for new ones coming out each day, and also our email if you've got any questions or you'd like to suggest some videos I could work on. So in relation to the features of effective aid programs, this is relevant to this key knowledge point here from Unit 4 Area Study 2. So you can see it mentions features of effective aid programs that address the SDGs and examples of effective implementation with details of one such program, etc. So essentially it's saying there that you need to know at least one program in detail for an SDG, but you also need to know generally what the features are of effective aid programs. And so the key skill for this key knowledge point down here, okay, is that you need to be able to analyze and evaluate the effectiveness of aid programs in promoting health and well-being and human development. So essentially you need to be able to look at an aid program which might be provided, say, as stimulus material in your SACs or the exam, and evaluate whether or not it's likely to be effective and how it could then promote health and well-being or human development. So in relation to some of the different features you can look out for, okay, to determine whether or not an aid program is effective, you can see that I've listed some of these here. So it says there education, a focus on women, a focus on sustainability, free cost, a focus on results, transparency and accountability, and a focus on local people are all things that you can look out for in an aid program to determine whether or not it's likely to be effective. It also mentions down the bottom there that you need to be able to explain how these features might contribute to the effectiveness of a program. So for example, if an aid program included education as part of the program, that means that individuals are likely to learn knowledge and skills, okay, that then they could use, okay, in their community and pass on that knowledge and skills, okay, to other individuals in the community and into the future, and therefore that aid program is likely to be more effective. You could talk about the fact that it might be a program that focuses on local people, and so that's likely to be effective because if local people are involved, they're more likely to take ownership of that program, and then they're more likely to be able to embed elements of that program in their local community, which is more likely to help people in that community, promoting their health and well-being and human development. So that's there's just giving you a bit of an overview of some of these features of effective aid program. And so as part of your classwork and your revision, make sure that for these different features you can identify them, okay, in aid programs, but you can also think about how they might contribute to the effectiveness of a program. And there's quite a number of past exam questions that ask you to do that, and you'll see in some of my videos that I'm going through past exam questions and helping you to look at how they're marked and possible responses to those questions. So if you look out for the ones on aid programs and effectiveness, you'll see I provided you with some extra examples and tips there. Okay, thanks so much. So don't forget the Health Resources Hub YouTube channel is available, the ACE HHD exam preparation sessions, our social media, and our email. Thanks so much.